Hello students, good morning. Are you enjoying the videos? Yes, that's good. Here I am Sunil Arinkede, English Subject Assistant, Diet Gondia. Dear children, subject English grammar, and under this we are going to learn about types of preposition. Dear student, in our last video we learned about preposition. So let's see. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. Means we place the preposition before a noun or pronoun. And why? To show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stand in regards to something else. Means preposition shows what is the relation. In other words, a word or phrase that is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time, direction, that is called preposition. Preposition shows what is the place, what is the time, which is the direction, that is the preposition. In simple words, we can say preposition shows the position. Yes? For example, the duster is on the table. Where is the duster? The duster is on the table. The word on is here the preposition. It shows the location and position of that duster. I live at Amgaon. Ria writes a letter for a day leave. Raju started running from my home. Manoj can do this without others' help, and Gautam works in place of Subhas. So here on, at, for, from, without, in place of, these words shows the position, location and relation. So they are the prepositions. Types of preposition. How we can classify the preposition? Which are the classes? Preposition may be arranged in the following classes, and they are simple preposition, compound preposition and phrase preposition. So let's see what are they. Simple preposition. Simple prepositions are by, at, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, with. So these are the simple prepositions. Just see in sentence, I live at Amgaon. Here the word at is a simple preposition. The bag is on the box. Manohar is from Gondia. Arnav goes to school. He worked for his mother. And the lion ran through the path. So here at, on, from, to, for, through, these words are simple prepositions. Now compound preposition. So what is it? Let's see. Compound prepositions are generally formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an verb, and the prefix are a or b. Here we add prefix, that's a, b. Let's see what are they. About, above, across, along, amidst, among, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, and beyond. So these are prepositions which are prefixed by a and b. A, about, above, across, along, among, around. B, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond. Yes. Some are inside, outside, within, without, underneath. So they are also compound prepositions. And the last class of preposition is phrase preposition. A phrase preposition or phrase prepositions are group of words. They are the group of words used with the force of a single preposition. They are in groups, but we use as a single preposition. Let's see. They are along with, away from, because of, in favor of, in front of, with regards to, in place of, in spite of, on account of, instead of, on behalf of, in addition to, according to, by means of, by reason of, in case of, in regards to. So these prepositions are in the form of group, but we are using as a single preposition. So they are the phrase preposition. So in this way, guys, we learn about kinds or classes of preposition. Yes, and they are simple, compound, and phrase preposition. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will meet again. Bye.